What's up, everybody? Welcome back to part 2 of the BMW race car repair vlog. Today we are going to be setting up the parts in the spray booth, checking the color on the car so we can get the right tint and getting those parts painted so we can begin fitment within the next couple days. Today is Friday, so most likely not going to start until Monday. So we're going to get those parts painted. Carlos is going to come out and check the color, and then we're going to go from there. So let's get back there to the booth and jump into it. Good morning. We are back at it again today. Going to start working on the E36 race car. As you can see, all the parts have been painted on Friday, so we're going to start working on final assembly of this thing, getting all this stuff fit the way that it needs to be. It's really bright in here. Do these lights make me look ugly? Anyway, yeah, so you hear this piece of shit outside? Again, where were we? So we're gonna start getting these parts fit on the car this morning, and once the guys get here, move all this stuff out. So let's go jump right into it. Well, I think that's just gonna about do it for this video, guys. I appreciate you watching this little two-part series. The E36 M3 race car is back together, completed. The AC is charged, ice cold, and everything is back functioning in full spec on how it was before the hit. So we got another E46 M3 race car that's coming in, I believe at the same time this one is leaving. So I don't know if it's gonna be a swap out or it's gonna be a week or two behind, we'll see. But that one's hitting the right side quarter panel, so we're gonna have to do a quarter panel job on that car and a whole bunch of pulling and body work and all that stuff. So I do appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't hit that like button, hit that thing right now, hit that little bell icon so YouTube lets you know when these videos are posted, keeps them up in the algorithm. And yeah, we're gonna keep pumping out this kind of content while we can. It's the end of the year, so this is a time where all these things are gotta go back together and get ready for race season, which I think starts in January or February. So everything's gotta be ready to rock. So yep, hit that like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, drop a comment. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next one.